guys, it's Monday, September 14th, and I want to go over what you guys are going to be doing today at home. So the first thing that you're going to be doing is Weird Journal number 3. So in this one, you have a few questions to answer, and then you're also going to be drawing a spirit animal. So a spirit animal, that's something that's part of Native American culture, and it's something that represents you, who you are, your personality, your different traits. And so for this assignment, you guys are going to be able to take different parts of different animals, put them together to make something that represents you or that's your spirit animal, okay? So we're kind of talking about our weird selves. So think about something that represents how unique you are, okay? And make sure you're following the directions in Canvas for this journal, because you know there will be parts where you have to write a little bit more and maybe parts where you have to write a little bit less, okay? So the first thing is doing that, okay? The next thing, both groups, you guys are gonna have a video to watch. The first video for 5th grade is going to be a little video on landforms. It's like 10 minutes long. And then for the 6th grade, you're watching a little video on map making and kind of the effort to save the art of map making. And your video is a little bit shorter. It's like 6 minutes long, okay? So that's in addition to this video. So you're gonna have 2 different videos to watch. Then this is where both groups have something different to do, okay? In 5th grade, you guys are going to read a little bit more in Matilda. So you guys are going to read pages 193 to page 214. So that's a little bit less than 30 minutes worth of reading today. And we actually should be finishing Matilda this week. And in the 6th grade, you're actually going to do the first step of your project. So 5th graders, do not do any part of the landform project because you don't know what to do for the landform project. You have the rough draft made, but beyond that, I have not given you any instructions. So do not go any further and do not do anything, please, okay? This part is for just the 6th graders. So the 6th graders, you have your big cardboard that I gave you. So big it's covering up my face. So since you're making a world map, one of the first things that you guys are going to have to do is color the background blue, because you're going to have a blue background for the water, and then you're going to use construction paper to make the continents, okay? So I want you to color the entire thing blue. If you have paint, you can use paint. That's what we're using in class, and I think that that's the easiest because you could just paint the entire thing blue. But I realize most of you don't have paint. If your parents want to take you to Walmart and get you one of those little watercolor palettes, they're like $3, super cheap. That would be awesome because then you could just use the blue, paint the whole thing, nice and easy. But if you don't have that, the next best would probably be marker, because it would show up really bright. Crayon would be good. A color pencil would be good, but they're so tiny. It would take you so long to color this entire thing with colored pencil, okay? So I would probably pick marker or crayon to color the background blue. It can be any shade of blue that you want, okay? But you do need to cover the entire thing, okay? Another thing you're gonna probably wanna make sure you have for this project is a black marker. Remember, I said that you needed to have coloring utensils for this class. And so a black marker, preferably a Sharpie, but if you don't have a Sharpie, then a regular black marker will do, okay? So the only thing you're doing for this, again, this is only 6th grade, not 5th grade, okay, is coloring the background blue, and that's it, nothing else, okay? We're doing this today because a day ahead of time in case somebody chooses to paint, and that way it can dry, okay? So tomorrow is when we're going to be doing the next step in this project, and tomorrow is when the 5th grade will be doing their project also, okay? But this part had to be done ahead of time just for the 6th grade, all right? So you have the Weird Journal number 3 for everybody. The video for everybody, it's either a landform video or a mapping video. And then the part that's different for everybody, 5th grade, you're reading Matilda today. 6th grade, you're doing the coloring for your project, okay? And remember, if you have any questions about any of this, you guys can email me and ask me whatever you need to ask me, okay? I will see you guys later on, and have a good day.